Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Now let's see the day of, week of, and month of a given data, or rather given table data. So again, I will take you back to Power BI. Then I'll get data, Excel workbook, then date functions, then let me pick the fourth table, then transform. So here you want to know the day of the week, day of the month, or day of the year. And again, we want also to know week of the month and week of the year. And we want to know, rather, we also want to know month of the year. So we'll start with day of the year. So again, I will go to add column. Then I will click this icon for date. Then I will go down to day. So we want day of the week. So I'll click this one for day of the week. And then you have it. So here we are having 403651, and then in a week we have 7 days. So the last day always is Saturday, and then the first day is always a Sunday. So 0 here will represent Sunday, and the 6 here will represent Saturday. So let's go to day of the week. Again, we'll come to this column, add column. Click on this icon for date, then go down to the option of day. Then now we want day of the year. We don't have day of the month, we just have day of the year because we have quite a number of months. But in a year we have 365 days, so we can only get day of the year and day of the week. So here we have day of the year, and when you come down here you can see we have first day of the year, and up here we have the 336th day of the year for 2021. Then now let's go to week of the month and week of the year. So we'll come here again and click on this first column, then go to add column, then click this icon for date. Then I'll come back here now to week. I will come down to week. Now we want week of the month. I'll click this one, week of the month. Then we have it, week of the month. So again, we want week of the year. Then I will come to the first column again, add column, then go to date. Then I will come down to this option for week. Then now I want week of the year. And here we have it, week of the year. And the first one is 49. That is for 2021. When you come to 2022, we have week 1, we have week 2, and week 3. So lastly, we want to go to a month of the year. Again, we'll come back to the first column, add column, then we'll pick this function for date, then we'll click the icon for date, then we'll go to month, then we want month of the year. So here we'll just pick the month name, give us so instead we can pick it days in months or just a month. Then we'll pick this one here, month. So here we know it is 12th month, and down here we know it is the first month. So that's how to know the days of the week, days of the year, and then week of the month and week of the year, and then of course month of the year. So thanks a lot for watching, and let's meet again in the next video.